This amazing homemade drink improves blood circulation, treats asthma and rheumatism, and helps lose excess weight. Recipe: one of the key ingredients to make this amazing homemade drink is celery. Celery is extremely useful plant, especially if you use it to treat asthma or rheumatism. Also, celery is good for improving the blood circulation and proper digestion. Celery is extremely useful and healthy plant, and you can use every part of it, from its root to the leaves. It's full of magnesium and vitamin K. Celery also has lots of fiber and contains high percentage of vitamin C, which is also good in treating flu and cold. It also stimulates the exchange of substances in the organism. Celery is full of vegetable fats, vitamins and minerals. The celery root contains healthy fats, sugar, pentosane, asparagines, tyrosine, etc. Because of its diuretic properties, you can also use celery for treating many other diseases, such as rheumatism, gout, joint pains, kidney and urinary tract problems, sand and stones in the bladder, removes cellulite and helps you control obesity, asthma, lung irritation, nerve problems, etc. Celery is also good in cleansing the organism of the excess water weight, and it's also extremely efficient natural medicine in treating cardiovascular diseases. Celery regulates the high blood pressure and it helps you remove the dangerous toxins from your organism. It's also very useful in treating liver and gallbladder diseases. Because of its ability to regulate high blood pressure and it improves the blood circulation, celery is recommended for people who suffer from diabetes. Ingredients to make the most powerful homemade celery drink: 1 celery root, 3 carrots, 1 beetroot, 1 white carrot, 2 liters of water. Directions: first, you need to peel the celery, carrots, beetroot and the white carrot, and then grate them all and put them in a bowl. Then, pour previously boiled water over the vegetable mixture and leave the mixture to rest overnight. The next morning you need to strain the liquid and drink it on empty stomach. It's extremely important for you to drink this medicine on empty stomach,